So here we have the LOR Barista Sublime Compact. This is the LOR type, reasonable size box. This is the type of coffee you make, so you get different types of pods. It retails at £105, so it's a very stylish machine. This is the machine just here. You get a reasonable length of cable, enough for any counter work surface. And as you see, the machine is stylish and very easy to use. What you do get in this box when you first purchase is this easy to open. Not easy to open. You can try the coffee straight away because they gave you a tasting set. There you are. So as you can see, you get two different types of pods on the box there. It tells you brewing guide. So that's the tasting set. Instructions are some of the best instructions I've ever come across. So they're actually graphics, and this machine is so simple to do. When you take it out of the box, all you have to do is actually put on this draining board, and that's it. It just rests on the top there. As you see, the two nozzles, top and bottom. You get a 1.8 litre jar, and it just literally just slinks in the back of the container, sealed. And obviously it tells you in the instructions what to do to start off with. So you have to flush the kit with that a couple of times, making sure you get a bowl in the front there. Probably about 1.5 litre because you want to flush it a couple of times. 3 buttons on the top, depending on what type of coffee or strength you want. The good thing about this machine is this is like the industrial machines you get in conference centres. So you lift at the top, put your pod in, it decides how on which size of pod you have, which is easy. So you can have to put the small pod in and the big pod in, and the machine automatically decides what you have. It does feel a bit resistant when you first open it, and that's it. Then you press your button and away you go. Right, what do you do with your empty cartridge? Because once it's drained, it comes out. So take your draining board off, and then just pull out, and there's your empty containers. It's not going to have a lot throughout the day, probably about 3 or 4, and you wash that out because you can get some drips in it and plonk it back in, and that's it. You're away to go. Takes seconds to set up. Seconds, well, probably a couple of minutes to actually filter through. It's fast warming, and it's, you know, it is a stylish machine. It does take up a fair bit of room on a work surface because the measurement from the front to back is a good sort of 14 inches, so it's going to take up a bit of room, but this is a fantastic machine. Depends on the coffee you like. So let me just go through the pictures you've got there. There you are: espressos, lunge, residuals, grand coffee. Absolutely brilliant. The thing I like is that I can make 2 cups of coffee in the morning for me and my wife without actually having to stop, let one cool down and remake another one. They're both there, and they're there ready for you to go. So this is the LOR Barista Sublime Compact LOR coffee machine. Absolutely stunning. £105 from Amazon. Probably find it somewhere cheaper. Made by a good company, Phillips. So there you have it. Brilliant piece of kit.